alcohols are weak acidic in nature. So alcohols are acidic in nature. So alcohols are weak acidic in nature. That means how we know? Because ROH on treating with sodium, so here 2 moles and here 2 moles. Then hydrogen is replaced by Na plus, and the hydrogen leaves as a H2 gas. So this is known as sodium phenol, sodium alkoxide. Sodium alkoxide. Formation of sodium alkoxide indicates the acidic nature of alcohols. So ROH with the sodium gives sodium alkoxide. This reaction indicates the formation of sodium alkoxide. That means alcohols are acidic in nature. So that means we can write this equation as a ROH gives RO minus plus H plus. So releasing of H plus is known as acidic nature. Actually, this alkoxide is a conjugate base. This conjugate base is a strong base. How we know it is strong base? Because it is a weak acid. Weak acid gives strong conjugate base. So because alcohols are weak acid, hence those conjugate bases very strong. That means now we have actually 2 alcohols. Phenols are there and aromatic alcohols and aliphatic alcohols are there. So compared to alcohols and phenols, which are stronger acids? Phenols are stronger acids. Why phenols are strong acid? Because similar reaction. Take phenol and 2 moles of sodium gives ONA. H is replaced by sodium. So this is known as sodium phenoxide, and hydrogen gas is releases. So this is also acidic nature. But here, in case of here, benzene is electron withdrawing group. Due to electron withdrawing group, phenols are more acidic than alcohols. So phenols and benzene ring మీద OH ఉండేవి. అదే aromatic కాకుండా aliphatic తీసుకుంటే ROH మోడల్, అవి alcohols అంటాం. So phenols are more acidic than alcohols, ROH. Normally electron withdrawing groups increases the acidic nature and electron releasing groups decreases the acidic nature. Because of electron withdrawing groups, it is stabilized, then H plus releases easily, so acidic nature increases. But electron releasing groups destabilizes the ring, then acidic nature decreases. So students, due to electron withdrawing groups on a benzene ring, H plus releases easily, so acidic nature increases. If electron releasing groups are present, it provides the electron density to the benzene ring, then H plus will not release easily, then acidic nature decreases. So, and also here, acidic nature means is directly proportional to Ka, inversely proportional to pKa. Ka means dissociation constant of acid. Ka means dissociation constant of a weak acids. So here, if you take, now we will take some examples, students. We will take phenol. This is very, very important for objective purpose, students. NO2. This is CH3. Now I am giving numbering for this one 1, this is 2, this is 3. Now tell me, students, this is acidic order among these three. So based on above sentence, you can tell me, students. So here NO2 is a electron withdrawing group. CH3 is a electron releasing group. So already I said no, electron withdrawing groups increases the acidic nature. So 2 greater than, actually in 1 nothing is there, no electron releasing, no releasing groups. So compared to third one, 1 is having more acidic nature because the releasing group decreases the acidic nature. Compared to third one, 1 is having more acidic nature. So 2 greater than 1 greater than 3. Is it okay, students? So withdrawing group increases the acidic nature, releasing group decreases the acidic nature. And one more example is, this is different example, students. So we are discussing about different examples on acidic nature. This is orthonitrophenol. Orthonitrophenol. Then phenol. Then paranitrophenol. Paranitrophenol. So students, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So now tell me, students, which one is having acidic nature more? So order of acidic nature order among the given. Tell me, students. So all are having nitro group. First one and third one having electron withdrawing groups. So definitely compared to second one, either 1 or 3 is having higher. So now tell me, students, here orthonitrophenol is there, paranitrophenol is there. So normally para is having higher, third one greater than, first one greater than 2. Because in para position, students, in case of paranitrophenol, there is no interactions between OH and NO2. So OH will, due to this electron withdrawing group, see this. So NO2 withdraw the electrons towards the NO2. Then electron density on the benzene ring will reduces. Then benzene will withdraw the electrons from OH. Then this OH bond will break easily. Then H leaves as easily. That means more acidic. Compared to paranitro, orthonitro little bit decrease acidic nature. So actually almost equal, but point wise, 1 point is higher for paranitrophenol in experimental wise. So compared to 1, 2, 3, third paranitro is having more acidic nature, and then orthonitro. In case of phenol, there is nothing, no withdrawing group, so it is least acidic. So in case of para, electron density will be reduces more than on OH. H releases very easily compared to ortho. That's why more acidic. But here in case of orthonitrophenol, there is interactions between OH and ortho NO2 group, so releases somewhat slowly. So anyhow H plus also releases here, but compared to paranitro, orthonitrophenol is less acidic. Next, similarly students, I am giving some names. OH, one, two, three, four, five. Dinitrophenol, 3,5 dinitrophenol, and next one is OH, 1 phenol, 3 nitrophenol, then phenol, students, tell me the acidic nature of given following 4. See that here I given 4 nitrophenol, this is 3 nitrophenol, this is phenol, this is 3,5 dinitrophenol. See here, compared to all, 2 NO2 groups greater than, see this students, compared to this meta, 3 nitrophenol, either 4 nitrophenol, which is having higher acidic nature, students? Paranitro. So here 1 greater than, 4 greater than, 2 greater than 3. Here why I am writing 3 at last means there are no withdrawing groups on third one. In case of 1, more electron withdrawing groups are there. In case of 4, option 4, 4 nitrophenol, option 2, 3 nitrophenol. So in ortho and para, more acidic, meta is less acidic. So hence 4 greater than 2. So compared to students, ortho, para, meta, generally if suppose nitro group is present in ortho, meta, para means para nitro greater than, ortho nitrophenol greater than, meta nitrophenol is possible. First question is, correct order of acidic strength of the following compounds is A. Phenol. Actually this is phenol. No electron withdrawing groups or no releasing groups on benzene ring. This is also phenol, but when para position methyl group is there. Methyl means electron releasing group. So in case of option C, on phenol, 4th position nitro group is there. This is electron withdrawing group. But see here students, 2 electron withdrawing groups are present. So already I said, if number of electron withdrawing groups increases, acidic nature also increases. Electron releasing groups decreases the acidic nature. So now tell me, among A, B, C, D, which is having more acidic nature? D. So D. So D greater than options are 3 and 4 is there actually. Then cross check it, students. After that D, C is having electron withdrawing group. So D greater than C. Then next, compared to A and B, B is having electron releasing group, but in A nothing is there. So compared to electron releasing groups, actually electron releasing group decreases the acidic nature. So compared to A, B is having less acidic nature. So D greater than, C greater than, A greater than B. So option D is matches. So option is 4th one. D greater than, C greater than, A greater than B. Number of electron withdrawing groups increases the acidic nature. Releasing groups decreases the acidic nature. So compared to electron releasing groups, here in phenol nothing is there, no electron withdrawing or releasing. So this is having more acidic. So A greater than B. Then which of the following compound reacts with sodium easily? So sodium easily means these are all our alcohols only, students. So easily means more acidic. More acidic means it can react with the sodium easily. More acidic. So which of the following is more acidic actually? I said already, electron withdrawing groups increases the acidic nature. This is nothing but C6H5OH. This is structure, this is molecular formula, students. So C6H5OH, phenol. Phenol is having more acidic nature compared to alkyl groups. See this? So first option and second option are alkyl groups. Alkyl groups are there. So compared to that, C is more acidic. In D also, benzene ring along with NH2, no resonance. No resonance, less acidic. So in given options, C is having more acidic nature. More acidic means it can react with sodium very easily. So option C is the correct answer. Second property is esterification. Normally, alcohols reacts with acids, carboxylic acids forms a ester. So normally ROH plus RCOOH gives, see the students, by removal of water molecule, we can get ester RCOO, RCOO, OR. So this is nothing but ester, students. So ester means R, C double bond O, OR. This is the structure, students. So this is the ester group. So alcohols reacts with carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acid forms ester. So example is, take phenol, students. Phenol plus CH3COOH gives OCOCH3 plus H2O. Simply remove the water molecule, students. So by removal of water molecule we can get ester. This is ester, students. Similarly, CH3OH plus CH3COOH. Students, this is methanol. This is ethanoic acid, oic acid, students, carboxylic acid. Then we can get CH3, C double bond O. H is removed, then we can get CH3. Water is removed. This is methyl ethanoate. Methyl. This is here, two carbons are there. Ethane. COO means O8. Methyl ethanoate. So note down, students. So ikkada students, ikkada H remove cheyandi, ikkada OH remove cheyandi. So ఇప్పుడు మనకు మిగిలేది అదే కదా, బెంజిన్ మీద O ఉంది, దానికి CO ని ఇక్కడ అటాచ్ చేయండి. సో బెంజిన్ మీద O దానికి CO ని అటాచ్ చేయండి. అదేవిధంగా ఇక్కడ కూడా H రిమూవ్ చేయండి, ఇక్కడ OH రిమూవ్ చేయండి. దెన్ CH3O ఈ COతో అటాచ్ అవుతుంది, COCH3. సో methyl ethanoate. So esterification means alcohols reacts with carboxylic acid, we can get ester.